Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Lenovo has evolved significantly in recent years, and has deservedly become the global market leader. Until recently, the Yoga line was limited to convertible touchscreens. Yoga was meant only for 2-in-1 laptops, but now the touchscreen is no longer a must. Lenovo has now expanded the Yoga series to include standard form factor devices. Lenovo and their Yoga series are giving a lot of choices to the user. You can find compact and small Yoga devices suitable for people who are constantly on the go. While for power users, Lenovo is offering big 17 inches that have some Yoga abilities. There are both Intel and AMD models, with various memories and storage, with LCD IPS or OLED display. You can get a slim device, with a powerful AMD CPU, and a high-quality display. It's built on a full-power Ryzen 7 5800H processor, with Vega graphics and 16 GB of RAM. The processor is integrated with AMD Radeon graphics, for outstanding processing power. It is paired with a competent thermal module, and a display of 16:10. All this make Yoga Slim 7 Pro, one of the most powerful, and lightweight laptop. It can run double the speed of Dell XPS 13, and HP Spectre 14. The Yoga Slim 7 Pro is a premium business laptop, and it's also more for free artists. This laptop is more than fast enough for most of your tasks in real-world use. So let's dig in the details, and find out whether Yoga Slim 7 Pro is worth your money. Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 Pro. Lenovo is trying to amaze the users with the build quality, and it looks like they are doing it the right way. The recent Yoga laptop comes with clean pieces of metal, and relatively minimal Yoga branding. It is built very well, offers a big battery, and has several good display options. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 is light, powerful, stylish, and versatile. Lenovo packs Yoga's technology into a sleek, slim aluminum case that comes in a dark gray color. It ensures all tasks are always handled smoothly and efficiently. The Yoga Slim 7 Pro looks and feels like a premium laptop. It runs quietly during the heavy workload and maintains good thermals throughout. Design. The Yoga Slim 7 Pro is made entirely of premium brushed aluminum. The brushed aluminum is pleasant to the touch, and does not collect prints. The grainier rougher finishing offers excellent grip, and should resist scratches well. The tight hinges keep the lid firmly in position, and hardly let it wobble. The maximum aperture angle is 180 degrees, and opening the lid with one hand is possible. It is equipped with sturdiest keyboard decks in the segment, and almost no flex in the lid either. The Yoga Slim 7 Pro is not the lightest ultrabook, but it remains compact. The smaller size also means you're not going to have trouble slipping it into your laptop bag. In addition, this device feels solid and rigid when handled. It weighs just around 3.2 pounds, and it is easy to carry around. You can easily open the lid with a single hand. When you open the lid, you'll be greeted with a glossy finish, which looks beautiful. It's a stylish-looking laptop with outstanding design elements, and powerful hardware features. Lenovo also improves the user experience by integrating an AI-powered IR camera for face login. It comes in two different shades, slate gray and light silver. Display. The 𝗚𝗍 Slim 7 Pro is a compact work machine, with an outstanding display. The 𝗚𝗍 is equipped with a 14-inch IPS panel display, having 2880 by 1800 pixel resolution. It offers a 90 Hz refresh rate to reduce lag, and a taller 16:10 aspect ratio for more screen real estate. The display looks gorgeous, with its slim bezels. The display has a glossy finish, with good anti-reflective properties. It does cover the color gamut extremely well, 100% sRGB, and 79% Adobe RGB. It also covers 81% of the DCI-P3 wide color gamut, and a 73% NTSC. This feature makes 𝗚𝗍 Slim 7 Pro as an excellent choice for content creators. If you are doing video editing, you'll love this extremely color-accurate display. It's a very bright display coming in at 390 nits, making it a perfect choice for indoor and outdoor use. The brightness and contrast of the glossy display make you feel good. The 90 Hz refresh rate will give you a better and smoother gaming experience. You can set the refresh rate down, back to 60 Hz, for better battery life. The viewing angles are comfortable, and you can read from any position. It's packed with a great processor, and an IPS display, to make you pleased during your work. The Ryzen model comes with a 2.8K display, one of the better configurations available for this series. Performance. The 𝗚𝗍 Slim 7 Pro is powered by AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor. It is paired with a powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU. It mounts up to 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and 1 TB of super-fast SSD storage. Not only is it gorgeous, but it's also incredibly fast, thanks to the Ryzen 7 5800H CPU. This non-gaming laptop is equipped with the latest Zen 2 Tech and 8 ultra-fast cores. The laptop is fast enough to handle multitasking, while providing an immersive entertainment experience. Its surface temperature is cooler under load than the MacBook Pro 13 with the new M1 chip. The 𝗚𝗍 Slim 7 Pro performs photo editing and video editing very quickly. It comes with discrete graphics, either GeForce GTX 1650 or GeForce RTX 3050. Keyboard. Lenovo has included a backlit chiclet keyboard, which is comfortable to type on. The keyboard's layout is standard, with full-sized and spaced keys. Lenovo markets the keys as a dome design that is comfortable for the fingers. The keys do have pretty decent tactile feedback. The keys have a simple and left-aligned font, which is perfect. Even the space key is very quiet here, making this excellent for typing in an office, class, or library. The keys are also backlit, with 2 brightness levels to choose from. These LEDs don't get very bright, and the light still creeps from underneath the keys. The backlight allows you to work in a darkroom or dim light environment. All in all, Lenovo delivers a keyboard suitable for everyday use here. Touchpad. The touchpad is reasonably large, also supporting multiple finger gestures. It provides a lot of space for gliding, and it is very comfortable for daily use. Its top layer is glass, which leads to a smooth gliding experience. The Precision touchpad is very responsive, and the 2-finger scrolling was buttery smooth. Connectivity. The ports are located in the rear areas of both sides. The left side comes with 2 USB Type-C Gen 2 ports, and a display port. The right side is provided by a power button, a USB Type-A Gen 1 port, and an audio jack. In addition, The Wi-Fi chip supports 802.11 Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.1. There's no fingerprint reader built into the power button, but there is a competent Windows Hello. There is no HDMI connection, and SD card reader. Battery. The laptop has a relatively small battery of 61 watts an hour. Lenovo claims, the device can offer up to 11 hours of video playback. The 61 watt-hour battery with intensive laptop use lasts about 4 hours at 90 Hz. The battery will last long enough to get you through a day's work. The laptop can be charged via USB Type-C with an adapter from a smartphone. Speakers. The dual speakers are placed at the bottom, which supports Dolby Atmos. The sound from the speakers delivers a well-balanced sound experience. If you want a more enhanced audio experience, use a good pair of Bluetooth or wired headphones. Webcam. The 720p resolution webcam is built into the top lid. The camera is good enough for video conferences in both works and family contact. The two built-in microphones work well for video calls and perform as expected. This webcam is exceptionally fast to recognize you and log you in. The laptop offers an IR camera that supports Windows Hello authentication. The Slim 7 Pro also features noise cancellation to get rid of ambient sounds during video calls. Lenovo did not use its proprietary shutter in this model. Operating system. The laptop comes with Windows 10 out of the box, but can be upgradable to Windows 11. Additionally, it includes 3 years premium care. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. The 𝗂𝗍 Slim 7 Pro is a comfortable laptop with balanced performance. It is a lightweight laptop with enough power to get you through the day. The addition of an OLED display really adds a nice element for any visual work you do. The 𝗂𝗍 Slim 7 Pro offers perfect battery life for all your work. It can easily tackle daily multitasking and demanding CPU-heavy workloads. There's plenty of power for your day-to-day and business work, and it doesn't get too hot while doing it. It is a hard-working powerhouse that won't disappoint while playing games. The cooling system has proven to be very efficient. You get a modest set of ports on this device. All in all, this laptop ran very quietly and cooled for everyday use, for more than its competitors. It will be available at a base price of $1,449, approximately 106,600 rupees. Specification table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the detailed and latest laptop reviews. Plus the things to consider, to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the current pricing and availability, you can check the description, and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let me know your thoughts on this video in the comments below. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.